So once upon a time, there was this chick called Oxygen, and she was going for a walk when it got really windy and she got sucked into the nose. She travelled through the pharynx and met these people called Food and Water. They didn't talk for long because the pharynx split in two and they went to the stomach while she had to go to the lungs. She passed through the larynx and trachea and from there got close to the lungs. There was bronchi going either left or right and she decided to go through the left. She came up to a big tree which was called the bronchial tree. She climbed this massive tree and then got to the lungs. In the lungs, she found a little hiding space which was the alveoli, which was covered in capillaries. She then found some cordial and started drinking it, but then it drank her. She was diffused into the capillaries and then into the bloodstream, where she found hemoglobin. They travelled through the pulmonary vein, visited the left atrium, mitral valve, left ventricle, and aorta. She travelled through this artery to the arm where it was needed. Once they reached the arm, they found even more capillaries and some cordial. They drank it up, but this time hemoglobin decided to end their friendship. She was alone and decided to go and work in the arm for a while. She created lots of energy, but since being alone, she had changed. She even changed her name from Oxygen to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide then drank some more cordial and went back into the capillaries and then veins back to the heart. She was travelling solo this time and she went through the inferior vena cava, the right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Then she was back at the lungs where she had started. She drank even more cordial and the capillaries diffused into the alveoli. Once inside, she fell off the bronchial tree, landed on the bronchi and then stumbled back through the trachea, larynx and pharynx before getting her visa and heading back home through the nose back outside.